Oh, across the valley today, getting a little breezy out there, but it is a warm day. Temperatures back in the 80s and the stronger breezes mostly over the lower valley. But this will probably be the warmest day left this week. We might be close to these numbers again by the weekend. Cold front arrives on Wednesday. That's tomorrow. That means that's soon. And cold front should drop temperatures pretty quickly. So it may start off kind of warm on Wednesday morning. You may wake up to temperatures in the 70s around 7 or 8, 9 in the morning. But quickly it will drop, and then Wednesday afternoon and evening looked much colder, and kind of winter type temperatures return. You know, there's that weather pattern where you get stuck into the clouds, the drizzle, the rain, temperatures kind of hang in the 40s and 50s. That's what you have to look forward to for Wednesday afternoon, Thursday, and maybe even in a part of Friday. Right now, though, looking beautiful. Sky 5 in Weslaco, partly to mostly sunny skies out there. The clouds are really starting to thin out in some areas, so temperatures are on their way back up. And temperatures at 82 in McAllen, 83 in Harlingen, still 79 in Rio Grande City, but pretty much everywhere on the map will be in the low to maybe mid 80s this afternoon with a breeze coming in from the south and southeast. And those winds, as I mentioned, strongest in the lower valley. You see some of the sustained wind speeds around 26 miles per hour or so in Brownsville, Harlingen, Raymondville, 23 in McAllen, and less wind in Starr County, but the gustier winds, these don't include the gusts, but some of the gusts are in about the 35, 36 mile per hour range in the lower valley. So breezy, somewhat windy day out there. And then those winds will come in from the north tomorrow. So the rest of this afternoon, temperatures around 84 at 3 p.m., 77 at 6 p.m., and then falling down through the 70s this evening. It should be a pretty warm evening and night. We may not drop much below the upper 60s overnight in many areas. Just going to be kind of warm and humid. You might see a little bit of fog late tonight if the winds die off, but not expecting widespread thick fog everywhere. You can see the clouds coming through, and we're kind of a little gap right now. See, it was cloudy, and then the clouds are thinning out. There's also a little more thicker clouds at times to the west. A little more thick clouds. Got to work on that English sometimes. But here we go with Future Track, and you see there is a cold front hiding behind the banner there. It's kind of stuck right now, but you'll see it coming down to the south by tomorrow. So maybe a little bit of fog possible late tonight and just some clouds increasing. Here comes the front, though, I meant to stop that map earlier. You know, I really meant to stop that map earlier. You know what? I'm going to back it up for you because I'm just a nice guy like that. The cold front comes in the morning. We'll put it right there. You see around 11 a.m. cold front comes in, and with that front, maybe some showers around. Some of the models indicate maybe even a small chance for a weak thunderstorm, maybe a couple flashes of lightning like we saw yesterday, but mainly just some scattered showers. Front comes through by late morning, then the chilly air comes in. Temperatures could easily be down in the low to mid 50s by the afternoon with a breeze from the north. It will definitely be cold. You want to definitely pack like it's going to be a cold winter type day for most of tomorrow. Then on Thursday, we stay locked into the clouds, chilly weather, some drizzle or sprinkles or showers at times. Temperatures probably having a hard time getting into the low 50s in some areas, which means, you know, if the drizzle holds on, we may be stuck in the upper 40s in some areas on Thursday. And then we start to kind of gradually come out of it on Friday. But here's a look at Future Track temperatures. And again, you see temperatures at 10 p.m. tonight, still warm. Tomorrow morning, here comes the front at 7 a.m. It's just north of the valley. Comes into the valley about around 11 a.m. to noon, and you see how quickly temperatures drop. By noon or 1 p.m., it's already trying to start to fall into the 50s right behind the front, only low 50s then late tomorrow afternoon. So again, like I said, plan on it being pretty much a cold day tomorrow, except for early in the morning around sunrise, and then the chilly weather hangs in on Thursday. You see we start off in the upper 40s and kind of just sit there near 50 degrees most of the day. So Wednesday afternoon starts to get cold, stays cold Thursday, stays kind of cold Friday. I think we'll start to warm up a few degrees Friday, but you really won't notice a bigger warm up until the weekend coming. So the first 1570 forecast, high temperatures around 84 today. We put 73 on there tomorrow, but that's probably around 9 or 10 in the morning at the latest before temperatures could start to drop. And then you see 50s written there by midday. Some breezes from the north, showers around, lots of clouds. By Thursday, only a high near 51 with chilly weather, some clouds and showers, probably the coldest day overall the week. Friday, if we get lucky, we might break out into the low 60s. I think we'll start to warm up a little bit, but still a cloudy day and some showers around. Then we start to warm up more Saturday and Sunday. Tricky part with Sunday is most of the models hint another cold front coming in, not as strong as this one coming, but Sunday may start off warm, could turn cooler later in the day when some clouds or a couple showers come back. But at least small rain chances over the weekend. I think rain chances are high as Wednesday and Thursday, but still rainfall amounts probably under a half an inch in most areas. We'll keep tracking it in your first 1-5 forecast here on Channel 5 News at noon.